we're going to attempt Pu'u Trail up to Waiakeakua Falls. This trail has like quite a few names, and one for it is like the 7 Bridges or 7 Falls Trail as well. So it goes by many names, but it's been raining a lot recently, which means it's very wet. It's lightly sprinkling right now. That should make for some great falls along the way. We're about to make our first change in direction. Keep going up here. It'll take you to kind of summit this ridge overlooking Honolulu, Manoa Valley. But we're gonna go to the waterfall, down the mud. It's gonna be slippery. We made it down the ridge. Had to move a little slow because it was very wet, but you could hear the water coming down. So now we made it to our first little waterfall. Small but beautiful. So this is just the first one of many. So we're gonna keep going, but it's making me want to get in already. Okay, so we've made it to about 5 waterfalls so far. Some big, some a little small, like this one behind me. There are a lot of different routes you can take on the hike. I knew that coming in, but I keep finding myself going one way and then being like, nah, it's not this way. So just be careful if you're out here. Be smart. Try to do some research before you come out. Know kind of the side trails that are out here. There's a lot of ridges that will just like, the trail will splinter off and you'll find yourself on a ridge starting to head up to the ku'u'aus. So, but we're gonna keep following the stream. Once you make it to the stairs with that kind of V waterfall, keep following the stream and soon we'll be at the biggest waterfall. So one of the things that I love about this trail is that there's so many things to look at and just see. Constant waterfalls, most of them pretty small, but you can hear the stream just roaring in the background the whole hike, and then random caves / tunnels that you could pop into if you so dare. So exciting, fun hike. So we just hiked to the top of that waterfall that I was just in. A little steep, very muddy. And I'm super pumped because right when I came down here, this is the waterfall hunt. And found this beauty. And then above it, what we've been waiting for. Waiakeakua. We made it to Waiakeakua Falls. We're gonna see if we can take it a step further though. We're gonna see if we can go to the top of it real quick and we'll see what comes after. Okay, the hardest part of this hike was getting up here. We're at the top of the falls. This is the small little beautiful falls that you get at the top, a little watering hole. But it took me a long time to get up here. I went up the right side. If you're looking at the falls from the bottom, I went up the right side. Maybe the left side is better. I have no idea. Waiakeakua Waterfall, done. Awesome hike. If I had more time, I would keep following this trail, the stream, to see if there are more waterfalls, which I'm sure there are. Probably not as big as this, but keep following it all the way up to the pu'u, and then up to Mount Olympus if you want. But I'm gonna head back home.